In this video, you'll learn how to forward a meeting invite in Outlook. To get started, open the calendar by selecting the calendar icon in Outlook. Choose the date of your meeting. Next, click New Event. Then select the event option. Next, go to the Add Title field and enter a title for your meeting. Next, go to the Invite option and enter the email address of the person you want to invite. After entering the email address, click the Send button to send the meeting invitation. Once the invitation has been sent, click on the event. Now, select the View Event, then click the Share button and choose the Forward this event option to start forwarding the meeting. Enter the recipient's address in the To field to let Outlook know whom you want to invite. You can enter the email address. You can optionally type a message in the box below. After you've finished writing your message, simply click the Send button. Your event will then be forwarded successfully. You've learned how to forward a meeting invite in Outlook.